Hey y'all, today I'm bringing you the Carrera Digital 132 Corvette C7 GT3 RS. From what I can tell, it was some deal that Callaway competition and Corvette itself had an agreement to do some races with this car, but none in the United States. So for some reason Corvette's got, well, you know, I guess Corvette has their own team in the United States. So this was for, I guess, everything but what they wanted to do. Regardless, it makes a really cool slot car. And the nice thing is, I wanted a C7 Corvette ever since they came out. And of course, I would not say no to the ZO6. And Carrera made it so I could afford one. Although it's 1/32 the size of a real one, I still get a smile when I drive it. And the detail in these cars is just absolutely incredible. I mean, when you look at that, even if you don't have a track, even if you can't race them, they are still cool just to collect the cars. And then if you do have a track, that's why I think it's better than diecast. I have a lot of diecast, but I can't play with them, you know? I'm 51 years old. If I'm out on the sidewalk playing with my diecast, they're gonna call the men in the white suits on me, right? So at least this, I'm doing something that's normal, you know, relatively normal. And then Carrera, after 50 years, they figured out, you know, wings and mirrors and that kind of stuff breaks off. So I showed you there, that is race ready. You can pull all the wings and all the mirrors and all the breakable pieces off of these things and then go race with them and put the pieces back on them when you go to display them. And then a little night racing going on. Them yellow headlights and all. Xenon headlights, can you believe that, in a slot car? And any kind of model at all kind of amazes me when you see the latest technology that's on the street, and there it is, you know, in a toy. These things are just, like I said, the detail is absolutely incredible, and you know, the fun you can have is you know, it's good, clean fun. And I don't have kids, but I wonder, you know, I mean, if I was a father, this is exactly the kind of thing I'd be trying to get my kid into. Something that I mean, because it's more than just the racing. You build it out and, you know, get a couple of power slides going on there for you. You know, you get the whole process of building it out and, you know, playing with the cars, and you can even tune these things and buy tires. And most of these cars here come with 18,000 RPM motors. Can you believe that? You get these things that turn 18,000. That's when an electric motor sounds good, I have to admit. Screaming at 18,000, they do sound good. Very enjoyable to be back doing slot cars and see where it came. It scared me for a little while because they've all gone digital, you know, but all of that is really cool. And I have to give a big shout out to CarreraSlots.com. They've been there to help me get this stuff figured out. They know what I'm trying to do for y'all, so they're going to try to help me make all that happen, you know, easiest I can. And no, big thanks to Carrie and everybody over there at CarreraSlots.com. And then the Carrera company itself. Good job, guys. The instructions leave a little to be desired, but once you figure it out, everything has worked, and it's worked every time, all the time, the way it's supposed to, and that's a big deal to me. I wish it was easier to understand on the front end, but being that the case, once you do have it figured out, it works the way it's supposed to, and that's a big plus. And see, I've put all the mirrors and everything back on this car after racing, and then I'm just running you through a light cycle here to show you how all that works. So anyways, the Carrera Digital 132 C7 Corvette GT3. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.